I am in the rain here in Hebden Bridge, and we're just going to go and have a quick look at some of the picnic tables that were put up here, made from recycled plastic, about 2009. So that's just that's 10 years ago now. So first of all, let's have a little look at this bench. Right, absolutely wringing wet. This is 10 years, and what have we got? Oh look, there's a little bit of moss has grown on the back there. A little bit of greenery. There's our badge. And nothing, absolutely nothing else wrong with it at all. So let's go and have a quick look at the at that picnic table over there. Totally under the weather. But is there anything wrong with it? No. Everything is completely and utterly as it should be. There's nothing at all, no splits. And I think, oh look, you can see around here where there's mud and everything has kind of eventually been sort of like splashed up against it. Organic matter, but none of it is actually affecting the table in any kind of way at all. Let's have a look underneath. You can see there. No, nothing. So there you go. 10 years on, and they are pretty much perfect. That's a Todmorden there, and there's one of our benches, old benches over there, which of course that's a discontinued model now. And then over in the distance, look, there's another one. Let's check out this one, just so there's no confusion here. Look, it's mint really, fixed on the ground. There's our old little badge, and yeah, still pretty much perfect.